Hello. So far, you've learned about the basics of what a debate is. In this video, we'll look at the differences between an opinion, a fact, and an argument. In a debate, it's important to distinguish between these three terms to better know which ones to use and which ones to avoid. Let's first look at what a fact is. A fact is information that can be verified. Facts are objective and can be proven. We can't really argue about facts. Factual information can be checked either on the internet or another source. Facts can be used to strengthen arguments, making them more difficult for the opposite team to undermine or weaken. Let's look at one example. Istanbul is the only city in the world that sits on two continents. This information is factual, it is true, and we cannot really argue about this. Now, let's consider another example. Istanbul is a great place to visit. Although this may sound like a fact to many of you who live here, it's actually an opinion. It represents a personal point of view, which means it's subjective. For this reason, opinions may be difficult to prove. Therefore, you should avoid giving your opinion in a debate. Now, can you try to distinguish between an opinion and a fact? Take a minute to decide which is which. Pause the video if you need time to think. Finally, let's spend some time by looking at what an argument is. An argument in a debate is an idea supported by a reason or reasons. It's like an opinion, but it's backed up with a reason, which leads to a logical conclusion. Take a look at this example. Istanbul is definitely worth visiting because it boasts rich history, amazing nightlife, and excellent food. A strong argument has a good logic and is well supported by evidence. The evidence may include facts, statistics, or other information. In the example above, rich history, amazing nightlife, and excellent food is evidence which leads to the conclusion that Istanbul is worth visiting. Now, take a few minutes to decide which of the following is a fact, an opinion, and an argument. Pause the video if you need time to think. Now, check your answers. To sum up, we've looked at three terms: a fact, an opinion, and an argument, and learned to recognize the differences between them. In a debate, you want to make an argument, not simply give your opinion, and you need to learn to support your argument with evidence. In the following lessons, you will learn more about arguments and how to make them stronger. Thank you for listening.